We are bound for Davao City. There you are, say hello. My friends and classmates, say hello. Beth, Shirley, Paul. It's a 6-day vacation to Davao. We are an 8:45 flight for Davao today. Philippine Airlines. Landed in the airport sa Davao. Whoop. Okay, here. Nana, maabot pa lang, nagpayong na. Oh. Yes, here. Everyone. Are we all complete? Kompleto? Okay. Asa imong san? Buffet lunch. Wow, oh, ang lettuce, Shirley. Ooh. We have pasta and noodles. Yeah. Lunch sa Vista Restaurant. Okay, first stop ni namo. We have no choice. Mukaon good me kay late na ka. First day here in the city of Davao.
Is this the pine tree? Yes, on your far right, we call that Vista Cottages. Can accommodate 2 person only. So actually, good for the honeymooners and lovers.
Oh!
Kung mga lovers dyan, pwede kayo magpabook. Kung walang lovers, love yourself na lang.
Very good! Oh,
so deer park on that side on your left. So that's why may deer pen kami. Kasi dito
ay, oo, may mga deer.
Native door yan. Kaya siya mataas. Now, we are entering the first step over the flower garden. Actually, we have a different kind of flowers. If you are plantitas or plantitos, of course, for the eyes only, so refrain from eating. Everyone, there's a rainbow after the rain. Then here in Eden, we have a rainbow already. So everybody on your left, that's our rainbow. So it's a newly painted bagong pintura po yan. So sulit sa 3:30 na, binayan. Bagong pintura. Okay, so 3 minutes to explore the area.
Yes, oo. Si Losia. Si Losia.
Kung namumulaklak para din siyang rainbow. And of course, the flower garden is good for prenuptials, outdoor weddings, ceremonies, then outdoor wedding pictorials. So my garden wedding didn't cause a flower garden. Season ng mga flowers is nasa month of May. Yun yung marami.
Yeah. Tribu Bagobo. Do you live here? Come on. Ah, hindi. Nag-perform lang. Nag-perform. Okay.
The Japanese yogurt still available in selected supermarket downtown. On your left is another magnificent view of Davao City, Tadawa Golden and Samal Island. Sister company sa resort located siya sa Samal Island. Dito naman is our herbs and spices, which we use in our main restaurant. So can use for pasta, tea, soup, and the last stop over the Lola's Garden.
Why Lola's Garden?
Kasi yung mga tanim is more like Lola, like the Gomolanda.
Okay.
Then may Carabao dish na pagmamayari niya. Ayan, okay,
Ganda.
5 minutes to explore again.
Thank you very much.
Picture muna tayo dito sa ano. Sinong gustong sumakay? Matagal nang di nakasakay.
Pasakay, sakay sa Carabao. Oh.
Sakay mo?
Oh, yes. Later.
Take a picture muna.
Sandali nak, sandali. I take videos. Wow. Wow, amazing. Lovely view.
Ayaw tanggalan to sila